So this is a fun little book, and it's got two different things that Kraken really likes. The color red, R-E-D, and cats, C-A-T. This cat likes red. So this particular book is designed for a guided reading level so that little ones can read it on their own. So here's a beautiful brown kitty cat with a white tail, a red ladybug, a little tiny cat, a buzzing bee, a green lizard, a blue fishy, a purple butterfly. So I think we're going to see a bunch of colors. And this one is by Christopher Russo. So let's take a look and see. So this one is to Jeff Fisher, who taught me how to see. It's part of the I Like to Read series. Oh look, the kitty cat's using his little paws to go after it. Cat likes red. Christopher Russo. A nice fun fact about the color red is that our eyes, red is the first color we can see. Black and white, and then red, and then it goes from there. Oh, look. Sleepy kitty, sunshine, twinkle, twinkle. Says the yawning kitty. And the kitty walks in. These little lines are supposed to indicate a path. And there's an arrow so you can see the direction. What's the kitty looking at? A ladybug. Cat likes red. Wow, everything's red. Red is nice. So we've got red cardinal, red ladybug, red apple, red car, red house, red flag on the mailbox, red bicycle. Some roosters are red and mushrooms are red. And the barn is red. Maybe it's autumn so the leaves are red, but there's apples, so that doesn't make sense. Oh, we got red flowers. So many things are red. Cat likes yellow. Look at the color of the word, yellow. What in this picture is yellow? Bzz, bzz, the little bumblebee. I love how he's going. And you can see the little dust behind him as he skids to a stop. Ooh, everything's yellow. Yellow chicks, yellow corn, yellow sky from a sunset. Here's a little bee coop, a yellow construction, or not construction, tractor, yellow sunflowers. Let's see here. Here's some more yellow flowers. Got some yellow pumpkins. That looks like a marigold. And there's straw, and there's scarecrow, and the leaves. I like how everything's colored except for the little guy there. It says, yellow is nice. Oh, there's a little yellow glove. Cat likes green. What on the page is green? Is it the scarecrow? Okay. Is it the lizard? It is. It's the lizard. And what color is the lizard's tongue? It's red like the ladybug. See how cat still has friends? That's exciting. The bumblebee and the ladybug. Oh, look at all the things that are green. There's green lily pads and a green frog. green grass and green dragonflies. It looks like the mushrooms are green. The cattails are more of a green than a brown. Just everything looks very green. And there's 1 lizard, 2 lizards, 3 lizards. Can you see any more? Oh, here's one. 4 lizards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe there's more, but I only see the 4 now. Well, let's see. Green is nice. I like the statue with only 1 wing. All right. Whoosh, splish. Cat likes, can you guess? Blue. Whoosh. Because the fishy's coming out of the water. I love the little face, the whiskers, and the eyebrows. Oh, look, so much water. Oh, that looks scary here. Better stay away from him. Oh, and there's an underwater statue. Oh, and some ruins underwater. And here's a blue eel and jellyfish. Ooh, and some sort of kraken and fish and starfish and a sea snail. The color purple on clothing used to come from a certain kind of sea mollusk, which is basically a sea snail. There's a seagull. Oh, looks like a whale tail in the distance. Can you guess what it says? Blue is nice. Oh, there's a little crab. There's just so much in these pictures. I love it. Cat likes pink. The butterfly is pink. His nose is pink. His mouth and ears and little toe pads look pink. Still got all his friends. Wow, everything is pink. So there's pink cotton candy and a pink butterfly, and that's decorative is pink. And the leaves are pink, and the flowers are pink, and the watermelon, and it looks like a little pink apple. I really like pink lady apples. Ooh, pink flamingo, pink houses, pink clouds. All right, what do you guess? What does it say? Pink is nice. So what this is doing is it's helping practice what's called sight words. It's words that you know by sight. So you look at it, and instead of just sounding it out, that your brain remembers that shape of those letters is pink. You know it on sight. Oh, oh, look at the little baby. Cat likes orange. Our little kitten is an orange kitty cat. All right, let's see. Oh, everything inside is orange. We've got orange shag carpet and orange sneakers. Another little kitten's kind of orange, and the lampshade. Oh, how many cats are in this room? There seems to be a lot. Let's count the kitties we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see a kitty I missed? I only see 6. That's still quite a lot of kitties. And there's a little mousy toy and a ball and a teaser and another mousy toy. Man, I was so busy looking at kitty cats, I couldn't even remember that it says words. Orange is nice. Oh, well, incense is burning. You should always have an adult with that. There's very hot tea. Again, have an adult. A fun fact about the color orange is that particular name is from the name of the fruit and not the other way around. For a long time, orange was just called red-yellow or yellow-red. After they had the fruit, it had its own special name. Kitty cat scratched on the scratching post. Very good, kitty. You scratch it when you should. Because kitty cats, just while we're talking about them, have a natural urge, with an animal instinct, to mark and to stretch. So kitty cats need to mark by scratching and stretching. So you have to give them something safe and good that to scratch on instead of your furniture that you want them to leave alone. You have to give them something else. Do, 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 do. Cat likes black. Daddy Monster's favorite color is black. The little birdie is black. I like how he's winking. Winking's where you close one eye. Black is nice. Good night. Oh, there's a swing set and a fish bowl, and the birdies are outside. Oh, and inside the little terrarium for the bugs is a ladybug, the butterfly, and the bee. And the kitten is asleep next to the big cat. The lizard's asleep in his terrarium. And the fish is asleep in an aquarium. Now, terrarium and aquarium are based off of Latin for the aqua to be water and the terra to be earth. A lot of English and other languages have related words from Latin, which is a very old language that no one speaks anymore, not really. But good night, everybody's asleep. And even this says, nice cat. I love the moon. So fun. All right, that was Cat Likes Red. If you're working on reading on your own, this is a good book to practice reading and your colors. Hope you enjoyed it. You have a great day.